Hi guys, my name is Katie, and I'm a special education teacher out of Ohio. I'm not sure if you've heard the really exciting news yet, but Really Good Stuff just came out with this awesome new catalog. It's packed full of resources and materials for our special needs students. Let's take a look inside. Inside, you're going to find one of the brand new products. It's a beginning and end of the day checklist. In this kit, you are going to get 12 square adhesive labels. They're dry erase too, so you don't have to worry about laminating or anything like that. They're also very sticky, so you can stick them somewhere in your room. I suggest sticking them somewhere other than your student's desk. That way you get them up and moving. Then you will also receive 12 double-sided checklists, which is great. You're never going to lose the other side of the checklist because it's right there. Let's take a look at the checklist. On this checklist, you have icons, 5 of them. This is going to help your non-readers and your beginning readers figure out what is expected of them in the morning. You've got things like, I turned in my notes, I handed in my folder, I put away my things, I sharpened my pencil, and I completed my warm-up work. You've also got an extra line right here. I would use that for maybe I worked with a buddy, or I got my task out and I'm ready to get started for the day. Then you go ahead, take that, flip it on over, and you've got your end of the day checklist. This you can use with a dry erase marker. Check off different parts of the day. That way you know what's going on and your student knows how many more things they're still expected to do for the day. The end of the day checklist says, I recorded all my assignments. I packed up my materials, I gathered my items, I picked up my area, and I pushed and put away my chair. Then you could add something like, I checked in with my teacher. I let her know how my day went. So, like I said, this product is awesome, and I really think it's going to help you and your students have a better beginning and end of the day. You can find this product and so many more and request your own catalog at www.reallygoodstuff.com/specialneeds. The all-new special needs line includes products for social and emotional development, curriculum support for a host of different needs, and accommodations and environmental solutions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have time to go check out this product and so many more amazing ones. I'll see you soon.